Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic function. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. First we have the base number 2 and number 2 in here. So we move this one, go to the left. So you go about log base 2 of s plus log base 2 of 4 to the power of 3 over 2. About number 3 in here, we can convert about log base of number 2 to the power of 3, because this one we can get about similar with number 3. Next we have log plus log, so we got about log base of number 2 multiplied with s with number 4 in here. So in this situation you got about s multiplied with number 4 to the power of 3 over 2. So number 4 in here we can change about 2 to the power of 2. So 3 over 2 multiplied with number 2, you got about number 3. 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 in here, they cancel together, and you got about s equals to number 1. Now let's go to b. We put about t equal to log base of number 3 s. So this one you got about t squared minus 6t plus 9 equal to number 0. So we have two solutions in here. Actually we have only one. That should be about number 3, and we have number 3 equal to log base of number 3 of s. So we put this one equals to log base of number 3 of 3 to the power of 3. So this one we got about s equal to 3 to the power of 3, and that should be about number 27. This is the end. Thank you for watching.